Answer this question. Why is it so hard for you to build muscle? Why is it so hard for you to build strength? That right there, I know a lot of you out there struggling, but I want to clean some things up in this video, and I want to show you how I'm building strength, how I'm building muscle, and you can actually see for yourself that it's actually happening. It's not easy, and I know a lot of you are struggling, but that's just because you don't have the right guidance. My goal for 2025 is to make sure I'm setting all of you up for success. I want you all to build muscle. I want you all to grab that six pack that I know desire, and I want you to just feel your best, be muscular, be swole, be shredded, and just feel amazing. What I'm going to do in this video is do some big lifts. So I'll be doing some bench press. I'll be doing some squats. First thing I need all of you to do is get you some type of pre-workout that's going to give you extra energy. You need that caffeine boost when you are trying to push yourself in the gym and actually achieve a goal. I'm currently consuming the Pre-Extreme. This is raw nutrition, code X Factor. 400 milligrams of caffeine in one scoop. More than enough caffeine. I just do one scoop because that's all I need. And then what I like to do is add in creatine. So I do 5 grams of creatine, sometimes 7, sometimes 10, but mainly 5 grams of creatine. And this right here is going to help push you again through that workout. It's going to help fill that muscle up with that water. So you will notice some water retention, but it is good water retention. Understand that muscle is full of water. So this right here is the first thing I do in order to push myself in the gym, in order to get that strength building to happen. I make sure that I have enough energy to last through the workout. Guys, so the first thing that I would tell you is to stretch. I talked about this in one of my previous videos, probably a number of videos that I have, but stretching is key. And I'm not just talking about static stretching where we're going to hold the arm across our chest, where we're going to hold our quads. No, I don't want you holding anything. What I want you to do is do some type of dynamic stretching. Find you a routine. I want you to get loose. Do some arm circles. Grab the pole. Do some back and forths. Really opening up the chest. Really opening up the back. That's what I want you to focus on. Dynamic stretching. Get loose. The name of the game is to get loose and get warm. That's what we want to do at the beginning of the workout, and that is going to prepare us for all the movements that we're going to put our body through. And then after your workout, when you're done and you're trying to recover, I do encourage static stretching. Focus on static after, dynamic before. But what we're doing first, guys, is bench press. So I'm going for the PR today. All right, I'm going for a PR, and a PR personal record. That's going to be you performing at your best. And for me, that's just my best within the last year and some change, because I don't do bench press with the barbell when I'm getting ready for competitions. When I'm getting lean and getting shredded, I like to really focus on dumbbell work because barbells are scary. I will be the first to tell you that I am afraid when I lift. I'm afraid when I go to the gym. I'm afraid of getting hurt. I'm afraid of getting some type of injury that's going to put me out of the gym for a very long time. Guys, it's scary. All right, so what we want to do is focus on being as safe as possible. You'll see me here with no spotter, so that's already me going against being safe. Get you a spotter, get you somebody to help you with your lifts just in case you do fail. Now, I've been training for over 20 years. I think I started training in 2005, so almost 20 years. Okay, so I started in 2005 playing football for high school. That's when I actually started lifting weights, barbells, dumbbells, doing squats, bench press, power cleans, all that. So that was me being introduced to weight training. So I've been doing it for a very long time, so I know how to lift without help. I mainly train alone unless I'm training with the queen. I don't really train with people, and that's just my personal preference, guys. I do want to start training with folks just so I can have someone pushing me, but for right now, I just do everything by myself. So enough about that. What you're going to see me do is acclimate the weight. I'm increasing the weight, not as slow as I usually do, because I know I'm going to go above 300. So at first I'm going to do 135 with one plate, then I'll put another plate on, and then I'm going to put maybe a 35 on, and then I'm going to put, you know, some more weight. I'll go like that, right? So I don't want to do too much warm-ups. When you warm up too much, you will get tired, you will get fatigued, and that will go against you actually reaching that PR weight. So I do 135, I do 225, I do 295, and then I go right to 315. 315 is where I thought I was gonna stop, and I actually got 315 pounds for 2 reps by myself. So you're doing one of these close grip handles, or you turn these. It's basically just like a regular. You're down here. My butt was on the pad the whole time, so that right there tells me that I can go up a little bit more but still play it safe. So I went ahead and put a 10 on each side, so now we're at 335 pounds. This is my first time barbell bench pressing over 305 pounds in a very long time. The last video you saw where I was talking about my strength building, I PR'd at 305. Today, this is like a week, maybe a week and some change later, 335 for 1 rep. Butt raised off the pad a little bit. That tells me that, okay, I'm using a little bit more drive from the feet. I'm actually using my hip thrust, trying to get this 335 up again because I'm afraid that I won't get it up. And so that tells me that I'm gonna just stop right there. No need to keep adding weight no matter how I feel. Once the form is sacrificed, it is time to move on. So my form sacrificed at 335 pounds, so that is it for me. But y'all, overall, man, I'm feeling good. PR, 335 pounds. I'm ready for the next move. But just so you guys know, the strength is building. I am making progress. I'm feeling good. I hope you guys are getting something from this video already, because I've already dropped a number of gems. If you need to run it back, run it back. But I'm telling you now, if you follow my steps in this video, you will build muscle and build strength. It's time to get swole. So y'all stop playing. 2025, let's get it. Y'all about to start giving praise to God right now. I'm telling you, y'all, none of this would be possible without the big man. Listen, I have been trying to progress in my fitness journey for a very, very long time, and I have been making progress, but it's been until now that I'm truly enjoying the journey, because when you're getting shredded and you're getting ready for a bodybuilding show, you're just always in your own head trying to figure out if you're good enough, if you'll place, if you'll win, if you lose, what do you do? It's just everything under the sun. Bodybuilding, competitive bodybuilding, let me be very specific what I'm saying. Competitive bodybuilding is taxing on the brain. It's taxing on your mentality, guys. You gotta be 10 toes down. You gotta be firm in what you believe and who you are in order to truly not let anything affect you in the sport, because losing is a beast, all right? And losing is anything less than first place. And for me, I get overalls. I don't just get first place. I win the whole show. So for me to not get that outcome that I'm seeking, that first place or even that overall, it does a lot to the brain. But it's as of now, guys, I'm enjoying just going to the gym, focused on getting stronger, eating what I want to eat. And I truly believe that that has a lot to do with how I'm progressing, how I'm building my strength. All right, I'm doing squats right here, and while I'm squatting and I'm working my way up to a PR, I don't know if I'm going to complete the reps. I don't know if I'm going to actually achieve the weight that I want. And the weight that I want today is 405 pounds. I have not put 4 plates on the bar in over 5 years. 4 plates on each side is a beast. And if you don't believe me, try it. But no matter what, work your way up to it, guys. Focus on getting stronger. I don't care who you are. You can build strength, and you should be building strength. That's how we build muscle. You need to be getting stronger in the gym. Now, I say all that to say, guys, I've been doing a lot of praying. I've been paying very close attention to my mental focus and trying to be just in the best mental space as I can be. And I'll be completely honest with you guys. Back in August 2022 is when I finally went back to church after years of not truly being inside the church, not truly listening to the word, and not truly just embodying myself in the Bible and what God is saying and what God wants for me. And I tell you what, August 2022, my life changed. I went back to church, I picked up the Bible, I started praying, and by me changing, my family was able to change because I'm the head of the household, guys. If you're out there, fellas, we are the head of our household. We need to make sure that we are moving in the right path. Our family will follow. And I'm saying family, I'm talking about your spouses, and I'm talking about your kids. They will follow. You are the true role model, but your role model first should be the Lord. So I say all that to say, guys, I'm feeling good. I'm building strength. I reached 405 pounds today. First time ever in a bunch of years. I can't even add up the amount of years it's been since I've put a heavy barbell on my back and did squats. I've been doing hack squats. I've been doing machine squats, but doing barbell squats is something I'm trying to go back to. I'm trying to go back to barbell movements in general because, guys, that is the basics. Doing barbell movements is how you're going to build strength. Think about that old school bodybuilding. They were putting plates on the bar, getting to it. Now, I don't want you to go too crazy like Ronnie. Ronnie damaged his body greatly. And he documented it all. He showed us the journey and we see where he's at now. I would encourage you to just be safe and focus on your recovery. Focus on your body work. Focus on safety. But push yourself, guys. You gotta push yourself. One. Come on. Come on. Form. Good form. Good form. Come on. Ooh. Come on. Oh, I gotta run those takes back. And you know what? If you don't have anybody pushing you, y'all tap in with me, link up with me. I am an online coach. I don't say that enough because I don't do a lot of that promotion, but I am an online coach. I do help people change their physiques. I do help people step on that stage. And I do help people become their better selves. If you do need somebody to help push you, help hold you accountable, that is where I come into play. I encourage you guys to just hit me up. Let's work together. Let's get right. 2025. That is the year that I need you guys to change. I need you guys to change and get better. Figure out what it is in your life that you need to change and do it. I know we do a lot of learning, but learning without action is not going to get us anywhere. I know you guys are watching this video and I know you're pulling some tips from here, but if you don't apply anything that I say, you won't get any type of result. Don't just listen to me. I need you to actually put it into action. Don't just learn without action. All right, you guys, I am cooked. That right there was some bench press, heavy. Did a PR, 335 pounds, and then we did a barbell squat, 405 pounds. That was a PR. I'm actually pretty cooked. I'm gonna do some isolation movements. I'm gonna focus on the shoulders right now because shoulders is something I'm trying to bring up. Now, as I'm eating all this food, guys, and I'm gaining this weight, I need to make sure that I am still paying attention to muscle development, still keeping that aesthetic look, still keeping my broad shoulders, keeping that waist tight. I still need to focus on that, guys, because we will be hitting that stage again. 2025 is going to be my year of complete building. I will take that time off from competing and put my body through the stresses of dieting. I am going to focus on just being in that surplus, getting stronger and building muscle, shaping the muscle. And then when we shred down, guys, in 2026, it's going to be crazy. And I'm going for that pro card. Don't think I forgot anything about that pro card. That IFBB pro card is mine. I'm claiming it, but I need some time to just get better. And mentally, I need to check back into the family. I need to check back into myself. I need to check back in with God, because when you are dieting and you're focused on that goal, you can get distracted and you can neglect a lot of things in your life. So I know I'm going on a rant, but I'm just trying to help whoever, I know somebody out there is grabbing something from this. I need you guys to focus on just being present. And while you're focused on your spiritual journey with the Lord, I need you to focus on being still. If you are not still, you will not hear anything and receive anything from the Word. And the Word is the Bible. All right, so that's enough talking. I'm going to go ahead and finish up this workout. So I need you guys to tap in. And if you aren't subscribed, I need you to subscribe right now. All 2025, I'm going to be helping you guys be better, get stronger. I need you guys to tap into this video. This video right here is going to help you guys a lot. And if you don't watch it, you're going to miss out. So y'all tap in, subscribe, like this video, share this video. Appreciate y'all for everything. Can't say that enough. None of this would be possible without you guys. And I'm going to keep saying that. So I love y'all. I'm going to catch y'all in the next one.